What is a material? A material is something that we use to make something else. Materials are of different types. Some materials are soft. We use soft materials for pillows and stuffed toys. Some materials are smooth. We can only skate on a smooth surface. Some materials are rough. Brick walls are rough. Some materials are hard. Cricket bats are made of a hard material. Some materials are elastic. Rubber bands and balloons are made of elastic material. I need to build a house. What are the materials that I will require? Let's find out. Let's build the wall first. I need bricks to build the wall. Now, I need wood to make the doors and windows. Now, I need to fix glass panes over the windows. Now, I need tiles to make the roof of the house. Great! Now the house is complete.